open this up, and you can see here there's blade here. There's lint here, remaining lint. I ordered this from an online shopping and it came yesterday. So I haven't opened this yet. No, I already opened it. I even charged it. Here, this is the product. You have to charge it. Well, the seller told me that you have to charge this for 2 to 3 hours. After that, you can use it. So do you know what the purpose of this? Its name is called Lint Remover here. Lint means, you know what lint is? Those that hairy things that we see in our product here. You can see here in my jacket there are so many. It's such, I find this very ugly. Even new clothes, it becomes old. It looks old because there are such things here. So this product can properly remove it. I haven't used it yet. I'm going to test how this is, and I'm going to just going to later charge it. Okay, so let's begin. Now you can see this here. I'm going to try to use this. Okay, now I've used it, and let's see whether this product is as it's mentioned that all this lint can be removed. Here you can see. I'm going to switch it on here. I'm going to use it. You have to be very patient. The blade is inside. As long as you don't put your hand here, it's fine. You see here? All the dust. When using this lint remover, you have to do it very, very slowly. Not like I did it. I did it a little faster. So if you want the lint to be removed perfectly from your clothes, from your sweater, from your overcoat, from your pant, from any of the clothing that you have to do it very slowly. Now let's see the dirt that is left removed. You can see here there are so many lint here. Now let's see. Okay, let's open it. You just have to remove this one. This is, oh, it's here. See? Wow, so much lint here. This is what I got from my pink overcoat. If you still don't find it harder, if you find this hard to believe, if you still don't believe this product, let me show you another one. Here you can see in this coat inside, one side is perfect, one side is fine. Here there is nothing here. See, here you can see it is so ugly here. So now I'm going to use this here this pant and show you how it release. Then I hope here it's ugly, so ugly. You can see here, just now I used lint remover on the side. See, it is, how is it? It's clean, right? It's not ugly anymore. See, the other side is, I didn't use here. There weren't any lint. It's spot on. It's clean, and the side is also clean. So let me tell you how this lint remover works. For that, inside here there is blade. You just open this up and you can see here there is blade here. There's lint here, remaining lint. Okay, so if you want this product, it's available in online shopping. Yes, plenty of that. I bought this at Newton 900. Actually, the shopkeeper told me, no, not the shopkeeper, the online seller told me her name is Sonam something. I will share her profile with you, okay? She told me it is 950. And I asked her for discount, it gave me 50 discount, so that makes it 900. Actually, last time when I was in Finseling also, I saw this product. Most of us have the habit of not believing in online shop because what is actually shown on their website on the because the picture and the actual product usually doesn't match. You know what I mean if you are a fan of online shopping. So I already asked the seller for the price of this. She told me it was 950, and then so coincidentally I happened to see this in one of the shop in Fiziling, and I wanted to compare the price. So I asked the shopkeeper how much it was, and he told me it was 1600 Newton 600. Newton 1600, 1600. That means 1600. I was no. I was just, well, I didn't know whether the product was in or not, because what is seen in actual and what is seen in picture. So anyway, I bought this and it came yesterday. So what do you think? I really like it because lint makes our clothes appear ugly. It makes it appear old. So if you want your old clothes to appear new, you can buy this product. Okay, so now I will share her profile with you. You can contact her if you want to buy. So where I bought this product, this is the actual lint remover. See, The upper one is before and the lower one is after. There are other colors also available. I don't know what this brush is used for. I haven't tested it yet. There is here. This is a charger. You can use this charger to connect. You can either connect it. You can connect it with your mobile charger and charge it. This is her information here. Her name is Sonam Pelden. She's from Thimphu. Okay, this is her profile. This is Sonam Pelden. Let me show you her profile. Here, this is where I bought from. There are other products also. You just have to check it for yourself. Here, this is the one I bought. So that's all I can tell you.